Hi, I'm Dave from StaticWorx. What's the best flooring solution for controlling static in a server room or a data center? I'm going to show you a couple of easy to install options. One of them is called GroundLock Extreme. It's a 6mm thick, heavy-duty, static-dissipative tile that goes together with a hammer. These dovetails lock together. You can put this down on bare concrete or over your raised panel. Tile comes 25 inches by 25 inches. Second option, static dissipative carpet tile. These would be 24 inches by 24 inches. On the corners, we lock them together with this plastic single-sided adhesive. It allows us to free float the floor over a raised panel or on top of bare concrete. I'll measure the electrical resistance to an ASTM standard, and what you'll see is a measurement that when the needle is in the center, that means it's a static dissipative material. You can see it's in the dark green region. I'll do the same thing with the ground lock. Also in the dark green region. So both of these comply with ASTM. Neither one of them can be installed in an occupied space. It's as easy as that.